Yeah, let's see, where's Kim? Well, there she is. Hello.
Hello.
Ah, Kim's at the dishwasher.
This is the way to do it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see.
Comfortable too.
Yeah.
Nice dry place to sit.
Now that is all the comforts of home. Where else can you just load the dishwasher like that?
Load the dishwasher. You mean me?
Yeah.
Ah.
And always clean water.
Oh yeah, running water.
Clean running water.
Our food smells go that way.
Yep. Yeah, who says we don't have running water, right?
That's right.
And we have running water. All kinds of it. Right
Heck,
there.
most people don't even have a hot water tap in their house.
I know, eh? Yeah, so, you know,
Most, but some.
that's it, eh? Yeah, doing the dishes.
Doesn't as cold as yesterday.
Well, since you don't need any help. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
I don't think
Yes.
so. Go get dressed.
Come on.
Gotta go to the cliffs.
Oh, come on.
No.
Yeah,
Been
but
there for 3 hours this morning.
look at it.
And it'll be there later.
It's beautiful.
While I do dinner dishes.
Oh. All right. See ya.
Get out of there.
Oh, look at, oh wow. Okay, I'm just testing it, make sure it's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to Mom about giving you a hammock.
Getting what?
I'm gonna have to talk to Mom about giving you a hammock.
I have a hammock.
I'm doing dishes while you're laying around.
I am testing our camping gear.
I tested it this morning. They're both.
I don't know what you're talking about. Are you done the dishes yet?
Better stop.